Okay, we got our lifters in, push rods in, rocker arms on, guide plates are tack welded in place. Now we're going to get these set to 0 lash. There's one. There's two. Three. Four. We'll do this till you still want them spinning freely, just no lash. Keep spinning it, you can feel just a hint of drag. That's all you need. You're going to see videos out there that tell you have one valve up, the other one, then you can do the other valve, this, that, and the other thing. I can't do that. I'll lose track. To do it this way, I can get distracted, which I normally do, and I can come back and I can go check them all over again. Oh, look, a squirrel. Now we'll take a core turn, check them all again. Another core turn. Check again. Another core turn. Do this till you do 2 full revolutions. Then you have done 1 full revolution on the cam. And this should be it. That was 2 full revolutions, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we can take one and we can still press that down. If that was soaked in oil and it filled up with oil, we won't be able to get our preload on. We'll go put the preload on and it'll open the valve instead. We don't want that. You don't want to start a new engine up with the valve sticking open. So once these are all zero lash, then you can charge it up with oil by hooking the drill up to the pump with a special tool, spin the drill, prime the oil. All right, now we'll set the preload. Okay, now we're down to zero lash. Now we'll go ahead and put our preload on. We're going to do a half a turn, which is going to be 25 thousandths of preload. Half turn. Half turn. The only ones I'm feeling resistance on is the ones where they're lifted up. See, now I'm on the valve on that one. I can tell we're on that one. How she got? Dump them out that way, I drop them on the floor. Yeah. You just stop. Yeah, we haven't done no pictures.
Nope.
Now we can go through and lock it all down.